Guys, there is one thing I forgot to mention in the video, so I'm doing this recording after I recorded it, the whole video. But that is, first of all, it's two things actually. If you want to know the name of this place where I'm at, here in Ayutthaya, let me know in the comment section down below and I will get back to you with the name of the place. That's the first thing. Second thing is actually a tip on how you can save money on Airbnb. Now, this comes with a little bit of risk, but we'll get into that as well. So I paid, so for one night, so I came here, I paid a price on Airbnb, and once I got here, I wanted to extend for another night. So I had this idea in my mind before I came here, but I was unsure if I'm going to stay just one night or 2 nights. So what I did, instead of booking one extra night through Airbnb again, I messaged the host on Airbnb and I said, look, I'm considering or thinking of getting another night at your place. So I'm gonna come tomorrow morning around 10 a.m. before checkout at the lobby. That's it. Don't mention any trigger words on Airbnb, or just go at the lobby. The thing was, I was not at the accommodation. I was visiting Ayutthaya basically, and I had to message her just so she knows, maybe like she doesn't book the place for someone else, okay? Or she doesn't accept it through Airbnb. You know, she doesn't accept someone else through Airbnb. But so I had to tell her that, but I didn't use any trigger words. I didn't ask for a phone number or anything like that. I heard that might be, you know, you may get your account restricted or something like that, or terminated on Airbnb for that. So yeah, maybe that's not the best idea, like to just go and do that up front before you even book anything. But this way, and let me tell you how much I saved, in fact. So it took me literally 2 minutes. I went downstairs, told them I wanted to extend for one extra night, and I said, hey, let's do it off Airbnb. Can you give me a better price? And of course they could. So basically I have it in front of me over there. On Airbnb, for the first night, it actually cost me 695 baht, which is in fact about $20. It's $20, exactly $20, a little less than $20. No, it is $20. Sorry, it's $20, exactly $20. And they said, okay, we can do 450 baht. So the difference was 245 baht. It took me just 2 minutes, guys, just 2 minutes to do this. And it might not seem a lot because this is a little over seven bucks. It might not seem a lot, but look, let's talk baht, okay? Thai money. 245 baht. When you think about the fact that you can get a meal for 50 or 70 baht and you can eat well and be satisfied in Pattaya, or even here in Ayutthaya. I shouldn't say even here, it's not like Ayutthaya. I don't think it's a more expensive place than Pattaya, but the point is you can get a meal for 50 or 70 baht. Well, if we use this as a perspective, then, because $7 might not seem much, then that means this is easily 1 day worth of food, even 2 days worth of food, you know, easily 1 day. Okay, so yeah, you're saving money like that. And now think, what if you want to stay for a week? Then of course it's a lot more. It's a lot more. So I just wanted to say that. So you consider this. Now the risk with this obviously is that maybe someone might book the place, you know, in the meantime. So you might risk not having the place anymore. But I'm pretty sure if it's like an apartment building or studio building and you're not renting just from one person, like it's an apartment complex and it's basically a company, then I'm pretty sure that they'll be able to extend your stay because they have so many apartments. Okay, but that's it. That's what I wanted to say. And by the way, 450 baht. It's not exactly $12. It's more like $13. Um, I know the title says $12, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought it looks a little better, but it's closer to $13.